I think I'm gonna make another split right here. Just have like a little one come from here and go down that way. So let's go see. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so we have a third part of the waterfall here. I had to use a bit more of solid color bricks and slopes because I was running out of the transparent blue. But I did have a lot of these little blue, whatever these are. Oh my gosh, what are they? Whatever these are. And then, yeah, just a bunch of a little stuff to go on top. But anyways, that's what we have so far. And I think that's it gonna be for the waterfall.